All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another live New York session. It is May 24th, 2023. Before we get started, let's check the news. So we don't have any news till 2 o'clock this afternoon. So we'll be out in London by then. So that's good. So we're going to give NAS100 a shot today. This is so we're going to be implementing the G.S.A strategy. Let's see here. So I see that we have a cheat code buy on the 1 hour. So if we was to trade this, then we would definitely probably get in the next candle and maybe buy it up if we need to be a day trader or day trade. But that's a good sign. So let's figure out what the overall trend is. As we can see, price has been trending down for a long time. Previous low has been broken and been pushed down. But of course, if we start from all the way from here, we can say that price is overall bullish. Because of these multiple highs have been wiped out. So we can say price is overall bullish. But let's go to the 15-minute time frame. And when we go to the 15-minute time frame, we can clearly see that currently price is bearish. Multiple lows have been broken. You can see that here, and here. So we're going to draw a trend line here. That's really trending down. And then we'll base this trend line. And then what we'll do is we'll draw trading ranges. So obviously you can see that there's a swing low here that originated from this swing high and then this broken structure. And we'll put a swing low here, swing high here, and then put the structure there. So at this point, we will let's see. This is going to be this is our bearish trading range at this point. Let's label everything. So this is the swing low here. This is our swing high here. And then this is our breaker structure. And then when we turn on the indicator here, turn that on, we can see that price is sticking out of the Bollinger Band. It's giving us a cheap code buy. So let's pull out the fib. Since this is a bearish trading range, we'll be within the most recent high and most recent low. So price is already kind of retested the 50% here. But we'll change this into our sell zone. We can go with our breaker structure. So price is past the 38.20, 23.30. So I'm looking for price to come up anywhere up in this area to do a counter trend buy and then sell down. So since it's sticking out of the Bollinger Band, it's probably going to do a somewhat a powerful buy up to anywhere back in this structure and then sell down again. That's my theory. We're going to raise this fib. I just push it up to here. To come up anywhere from there. So that's what I'm thinking. So let me zoom in a little bit so you can see price a little bit more. So with that being said, we have a little bit over 4 minutes before the 9:15 candle closes. So we're going to wait for that and then plan for our trade and then wait for the 9:30 candle and then just watch price action and try to get the perfect entry on NAS. So stay tuned. We have a little bit less than 4 minutes before that happens. All right, so The 950 is 917 now. So as we can see, price is sticking out the Bollinger Band and it's signaling that cheap code buy. So at this point, I'm just going to drag the there. So at this point, I'm planning on buying NAS. It's probably going to do a counter trend sell somewhere up in this area, maybe up to here, and then it's going to continue to sell down. So this is kind of like a counter trend sell type of deal. So, matter of fact, I'm looking for NAS to come down and down here. And buy it up. So we're up to here. TP1. TP1 is going to be, let's see. TP1, 380 plus points. And then TP2, I'll probably have to get all the way to the top of this swing high. But that'll be TP2, 500 gas points. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and set my alerts, and then we'll wait for the 930 bell. We'll see what happens. All right, so we set my alerts. So we have a little bit over 8 minutes before the 930 candle sets in. So at 8:29, I'm going to put in my stop loss and take profit, and we want to wait to get in. Let's see if we can capture our money and get in and get out. So we'll be right back. So it's 8:29. So let me go ahead and put in the stop loss, take profit. Stop loss was 13,550. 05. CP is going to be 136. 4.3. All right, so we got about a little bit over 10 seconds. Matter of fact, let me see if I can zoom in before this price starts going. Now we're strictly going to focus on price action. But we got a cheap code buy and prices sticking out of the Bollinger Band. Let's see what NAS does. Let's see. It's really sticking out of that Bollinger Band. It's doing. All those stop losses and those buy limits, all that. So you get that liquidity. Sitting on my hands and waiting. See if I can zoom in a little bit more. Really sticking out in that Bollinger Band. I don't sell it. But they're not going to give me. So a lot of retail traders probably sold that thinking it was going to really, really drop. Now they're getting trapped. They're not getting me today. It might happen. Big width. Let's see what they're trying to do. So once that price starts to move, I'm going in on that buy. Yep, that width there. Yep. I'm going in now. Just pushing up there. See that buy there? There you go. Get it. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh. That's what I'm talking about. We're closing that profit at, that's $60 now. Close it at $52. I can get it there. Right. So price went up. Got in here. Went up for a good 250 points. And it's probably going to go up even further. So the Bollinger Band is right here. It's this the Bollinger Bands is this blue dotted line and the red dotted line. So the reason why I bought it up is because the Bollinger Band is right here. Price stuck all the way out from down here. So that means there's an extreme move in the market that's about to happen, means an extreme reversal. That's why we got this much. That's why I bought it up. Let me pause this recording and document my results, and then I'm gonna share the results. See, price bought up heavily. I knew what's gonna happen. Please. All right, so this is my live account with NDFX. And Here's my results, $52.65 on the live account. So I grew my account to another $50. And I have a total of, say, yep, over $1,500 live account, slowly growing. So now you can see why I brought the price up. Because it did a major move, even though we're overall bearish, and this was a counter trend move, which means it's going to hit somewhere in this area and sell down, but we still got a good move to the upside because of this cheat code signal. And of course, understanding our trading ranges. But that's it for this live session, guys. So we knocked it out. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.